everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Dogecoin on eToro. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Buying Dogecoin on eToro is quick and simple. All you need is an account with eToro. You must be verified with your identity and also make sure that you have deposited some funds on your new eToro account. Once you have all of those, you can easily start buying Dogecoin with eToro. Tap open eToro application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the watch list button at the bottom. In your watch list, you'll be able to see all of the assets displayed on the screen. From the options, select Dogecoin and tap it on. Now, on the next page, tap on the buy button. In order to buy some Dogecoin, enter the amount of Dogecoin. Now, you'll be able to see this option that says buy Doge. If you tap on the amount button, you'll be able to enter the amount you're willing to spend in order to buy Dogecoin. If you tap on units, simply enter the amount of Dogecoin you're willing to buy. Soon after you do that, tap on open trade and follow the on-screen prompts by entering your address details, your social security number, and you'll be able to buy Dogecoin right away with eToro. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.